In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill a selection with color in Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have an editable layer selected down in the Layers tab. And once you have your layer selected, we need to come over to the Selection tool in the left navigation. So I'm just going to right click on this rectangle and you can pick the type of selection that you want to make. So you can choose here from rectangle or circle. I'm just going to go in, create a circle, and then we need to go and make a selection on the window like this. Now, once you have your selection, in order to fill this shape with a color, we need to click on Edit in the top navigation, click on Fill, and click on the drop-down arrow next to Contents. Now, you can either select a foreground color or a background color, which is your two color palettes over here, or we can just click on the color option and go and select a specific color that we want to fill this shape with. So I'm going to pick blue and press OK. Now go and click on OK again. And just like that, we have now filled this selection with a specific color. If for some reason this isn't working for you, then like I said, just make sure you've clicked on an editable layer in the layer selection. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.